Hello everyone, Nathan Kopic here from Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number CP15850. This one is maroon in color. It's a real high metallic maroon. Not very much sun out today, you can't really tell. I do like the chrome trim here in the front. Really sets that maroon off nice. We got fog lights down here in the front bumper as well. More chrome trim. Got a nice aluminum wheel. Tires are probably 80%. Don't see any curb marks or anything. More chrome here on the mirrors. The mirrors actually have turning signals in them as well. Take a look on the inside here. We have power mirrors, windows and locks with seat memory. Now these are premium power leather seats. Seem to be in excellent condition. It does have a tri-pane panoramic sunroof. I would say it's tri because it's got the third one in the back there. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to control everything from your backup camera to your radio to even phone controls and climate. Got your hard buttons for volume and presets, park sensors, things of that such. Climate controls here, turn dial, gear select. We have cruise control, hands-free options. Here we have buttons that are going to control different things up in your gauge cluster here. On the back side of the steering wheel, we got one of these on each side. The left side is going to control presets, the right side volume. Now this vehicle does have rear entertainment. The DVD system is up front. In the back here, we got videos right in the back of the seat. A couple different options here. We got a headphone option, HDMI and USB. This van does have the capability to stow and go, meaning all of these seats will go flat into the ground, giving you the peace of mind of knowing that you could carry something as large as a piece of plywood in here. So all of these seats will go into the floor, no hesitation. We'll take a look in the back seat here. Plenty of room back here. As I mentioned before, we got the sunroof in the rear as well. Power sliding doors, pretty effortless. See, rear backup camera here. Power rear hatch. Now something cool about this one is it also has power folding rear seats. Whoops, here we'll stow them. Let you watch that action. I didn't say it was very fast. Now if you can just picture these front seats folded into the ground, into the floor, how much space you have in here to carry stuff. Like I said, it'll fit almost a full sheet of plywood. Hit this button here. Didn't see any scratches, dings, or dent on this vehicle. It looks like it was well taken care of. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number CP15850. I'm Nathan Kopic. Give me a call today at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website, sherrychrysler.com.